In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe an MP3 file in Descript. First things first, start by opening Descript on your computer. Once that's up, you'll be greeted with the Descript dashboard, the hub where all your projects live. What you'll want to do next is create a new project. Just click on New Project, and then you'll be given an option to choose the type. For our purposes here, you'll want to select Audio Project or whatever project type fits your needs. Now don't forget to give your project a name. This will help you keep everything organized, especially if you're managing multiple projects. The next step is to bring your MP3 file into the project, and you've got a couple of options for doing this. You can either drag and drop the MP3 directly into the project, which is pretty straightforward, or you can use the Import/Add File option. This method will allow you to browse your computer, find the MP3, and select it. Descript is quite accommodating, as it supports a range of audio formats, including MP3, making your transcription task smooth and hassle-free. Once your MP3 is in the project, Descript will work its magic by transcribing the audio automatically. This is where the app's powerful AI transcription engine comes into play. However, do bear in mind that the time it takes for the transcription to complete can vary. It'll depend on the length and quality of your audio file and your internet speed. Now, if for some reason the transcription doesn't kick off immediately, don't worry. You can nudge it along manually. Simply select your file in the project panel, click on the options, usually shown as an ellipsis or 3 dots next to your file, and choose Transcribe File. This should get things moving. Once Descript has finished transcribing, the transcript will appear beautifully aligned with the audio, ready for you to review. This is your opportunity to make sure everything has been captured correctly. You can play back the audio to check for any misheard words and correct them. Descript also provides handy features like assigning speaker names, especially useful if there are multiple voices. To correct words swiftly without losing your place, use shortcuts like C to get the job done efficiently. Additionally, Descript allows you to tidy up your transcript by removing filler words or making other necessary edits. These changes will reflect directly in the audio itself. Once you're satisfied with your clean, edited transcript, you can either export it or continue to work with it in Descript. For exports, go to Publish, then select Export. There's a variety of formats you can choose from, including plain text, Word, or SRT, depending on your needs. Alternatively, integrate the transcript right into your ongoing video or audio editing projects within Descript. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to transcribe your MP3 file.